Okay, so hello everyone, and in this video we'll be seeing one of the implementation of Hadoop, and we'll be running a word count job, and we'll see how you can do this. We can do this. So I have written a blog post about it. If you want more information, you can check it out. To run Hadoop, to set up Hadoop, then you can set up in manually. You can download through its repositories that are present for Linux or for Windows distributions. But Linux works well with Hadoop and all its Apache implementations and all. So my preference would be, if you're going to do it manually, go through the manuals to see what works, what doesn't. And since we'll be doing this in an easier manner so that you can understand it, we'll be doing the pre-configured setup. Actually, it's being provided by Cloudera, where the Hadoop and all its library are already installed, and you just have to download the operating system and set it up. uh, Other configurations would already be there, so we not need to worry about Hadoop configuring Hadoop. So here's the files. Okay, so this Cloudera needs 4 GB of RAM to run. So if you have like 4 GB of RAM in your computer, it won't work. You need at least 8 GB, 4 GB for operating system, and 4 GB for Cloudera operating system. So the Cloudera operating system is based on CentOS, so that needs 4 GB of RAM for the Hadoop and all. Okay, so we have here the VirtualBox and Cloudera VM. You can download both. I have provided the link there, so you can download all these two files. And after you've downloaded, then you make sure you run it. I'll just show you. Okay, so after you install VirtualBox, you can see yeah, and after you downloaded the Cloudera virtual machine, quick start VirtualBox. So here you can see, like here, the open virtualization format. When you double click on it, it will show you. Yeah, okay. See, this is the installation. You just click on import, and everything will be imported again. And then when you run it, and it will be, the OS will be running. So since I've already done it here, so I did not do it again. I just click on start, and the operating system will start. It may take a while. Okay, so we have the Cloudera here open. Then the next thing we need to do is download a file. I provided a link here. So with that, it will be a Hadoop core file that we'll be needing later. So I've already downloaded it. Okay, so now let's open Eclipse and create some Java file that we'll be needing for driver, mapper, and reducer. Okay, so you have to create a project file, new project, Java project, and then you can write Java project name, anything that you want to give, or okay. Let's click on next, and here you'll go to library, and you'll add click on add external jars. There select the downloaded Hadoop core. Okay, then go to file system, go to USR, then go to lib. You'll find Hadoop and add all this. Okay, now again click on add external jars, go back, click on Hadoop map reduce, and again add these jars. So these are necessary Java archive files that we'll be needing for the compilation and all these other things. So I have already done one thing, and inside of that, go to there, click on src, click on it, and create a new package. You make it, name it sample, sample. Then click on finish. Then have a sample package. Then inside that you have to create three class files. Okay, the class one is so word, and click on finish. Okay, so you have your file. So I have already created this here. So you can create three files like that: mapper, reducer, driver, mapper, reducer. So the code is given here. If you click on this, you'll go to the GitHub page where you can find the code. You can copy it there from there. Okay, so after that, have to export the project. After you've done all this, after creating three files, you have to click on the project name, click on it, and click on export. Then go to Java, jar file, next. And here you can type the name of the what jar file you are going to create. I will write word C. Or you can write anything and click on finish. So after you do that, after you create the jar file, to know where it was saved, you can go to there. Then you can go to the location. You can see it is there in home, Cloudera, workspace, word count job. So it'll come handy. So next, what we need to do after that is make a input file. So we'll open one terminal here, open terminal, and now where we had saved the jar file, will go to that location. So we had created cd space /home /cloudera workspace. So here you can see a place named word.c.jar. Then we can create input file. So just create vi space input file.txt. So since I've already created one, I'll go into that. But if you're not created, then you'll be asked to create. You can create here itself in the command prompt. You click on I, and then you can go to insert mode. Then you can specify what you want to write. We shall generate. Okay, let's say this much. Then click on escape and colon wq. So it will write and quit. So we have our input file ready. Next we need to do is, now what we have to do is create one directory in the Hadoop file system and pass our input there, so that we can run the MapReduce job. Okay, so now what we have to do is create a file in Hadoop file system. So we'll write Hadoop space fs space mkdir space wc. So we'll create one folder. Then inside that we'll create one more folder. /input. So input is created. Now what we have to do is copy this code and run it here. So Hadoop space fs. So what this will do is we'll copy the input from the local, the the input file that we created in our file system, and we're copying it to the Hadoop file system. So copy the Hadoop space fs and copy from local home Cloudera workspace input file.txt wc input. Okay, so now we have copied. Then we have to do is run the MapReduce job. Type Hadoop space jar Cloudera workspace but c.jar space. Okay, so here I've written word count and I've saved this at but c. It won't matter much. The name is just the name and the package name sample dot word count driver to make sure that you're using the same, like what the name of the class is. Space to see put space to see output. So now it will start running. Wait a while, it will take some time. So okay, so if you had some errors it will be showing here, but since the job is running right now, as you can see the job is running right now, so we don't have any errors. We have to peacefully wait. Okay, so now the job has started, so mapping will be starting right now. Then after that we'll go to reducer, then we'll get our output. Okay, mapping is mapper has done its job. Go to reducer. So now our output is ready. So we got our output. Here you can see the log of the things that happened. And the next thing we have to do is, so now the output is present in Hadoop file system. So to see it, we need to bring it to our local file system and then we can see the output. So Hadoop space fs copy to local space from wc output to home Cloudera workspace. Oh, sorry. Okay, so it's saying the file. Okay, so it's saying the file already exists. So let me, remove them. Okay, let me copy to a new place. Cloudera workspace space. Output new. Okay, so now it's copied. Let's go to output new. Output new. We have two file path, 5 zeros and success. So here you can see the output. It's exactly what we have written given in the input. So we have counted the word count. So with this, I hope you can do it. Follow the tutorial here. I'll have a link given to you. So follow it and make sure to complete it. If you have any doubts, feel free to contact. So thank you very much.